this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hi guys, welcome back to CryptoGatta. We all have heard many times about crypto exchange scam, but many of us don't know how exactly it happens and how can we protect ourselves from getting scammed. Today I am going to explain you and help you to know how you can avoid yourself getting scammed. So let's go. Getting into cryptocurrency means taking on several risks, but getting scammed shouldn't be one of them. As cryptocurrency is getting noticed and no longer considered a bubble, hundreds of cryptocurrency exchanges continue to emerge, facilitate the trading of digital assets. Naturally, this has causes cryptocurrency exchanges to be in targets for hackers to perform attacks to make a profit. In recent years, we have seen several scam attacks targeting cryptocurrency exchanges and trading platforms, which led to a considerable amount of financial loss worldwide. According to research conducted, a total loss of approximately 882 million was reported due to targeted attacks on cryptocurrency exchanges in 2017 and first 3 quarters of 2018. I would like to tell you 4 types of famous cryptocurrency exchange scams and 4 red flags to watch out for. Phishing domain scam. It is most likely to look like the official exchange platform purposely trick users into typing their account credentials or downloading malware that the site provides. Investment scam. Traders will get asked to trade or invest money to promise a high interest rate or rich payback. Instead, the scammer will take the trader's money and disappear. A similar incident recently took place in South Africa, drawing worldwide attention in the crypto world when 2 South African cryptocurrency exchange owners vanished along with 3.6 billion worth of bitcoins. Impersonation scam. Some exchanges use fake celebrities or impersonate influencers to lure users into their exchanges, promising extraordinary returns on their investments. These scammers also tend to forward users to the official exchanges by using their affiliate codes to earn rewards from the exchanges' referral programs. Redirection scam. Scammers use addresses similar to official exchange domains to redirect users to adult and gambling sites. Most of the time, this type of scam is not targeted only cryptocurrency exchanges. They, however, create the typo squatting domains with the malicious purpose of attracting users. Now I will tell you 4 red flags that will help you to avoid getting scammed. First, if the rate of return is too good to be true. Second, constantly force traders to deposit funds or make a more significant investment than needed. Third, unsolicited offers or calls with advice on investing or buying cryptocurrencies. Fourth, unusually high registration or withdrawal fees that were not previously disclosed. One of the best ways to avoid getting scammed is to do your own research before creating an account and making sure users and researchers establish the platform you have chosen to confirm its legitimacy. Most reputable and legit exchanges should have a constant social media presence such as Twitter and updated blog posts listing on reputable coin listing websites like CoinGecko, CoinCodex, CryptoSlate, CryptoVisor, CoinHills, and many more verifiable employees. Here are some trusted and verified crypto exchanges list. If you want to do spot trading, WazirX is the top Indian exchange. For derivatives trading, MCX is the best option with amazing bonus and token airdrop. KuCoin is the international exchange you can do spot and future trade. You can do your own research and register through the official link given below. Feel free to ask me your doubts or question in the comment section. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a great day.